We're going to now look at signal words, words in a sentence that might help us find the cause and effect easier. Look at these sentences. See if you can find a word that is the same in all of these sentences. Ignore the simple words like a and in and the. Look for a big word that is the same. Did you find the word because? Because is one of our big signal words that tells you as a reader that the cause is going to come after it. Remember, in the word because, you will see the word cause. So after each of these because is the reason. Lacey got a teddy bear. Why? Because her dad landed a ball in a bottle. We didn't get to ride in the hot air balloon. Why? Because it was too windy. Araceli is dressed like a spider. Why? Because she's performing in a play. Why is she dressed? Because she's performing in the play. So if you ask yourself the why and look for the because, it is a signal to help you find the cause. Look at these 4 sentences. See if you can find the common word in all of these sentences. Ignore the little words like a and in the. Did you find the word sense in all of them? The word sense is another signal word to help us find the cause and effects. The cause is going to follow the word sense, just like following the word because. Since Saul won the race, he received a medal. Why did he receive a medal? Because he won the race. So as you can see in each of these sentences, the signal word here is sense. Fill this in on your chart as we go along. Some other signal words that you might see to help you find the cause or the reason are the words because, the word since, and the word due to. These words signal that the cause is going to follow. But remember, these words are not always present in a sentence. So sometimes we have to use other clues to figure it out. Look at these 3 sentences on your paper. Can you find the signal word to help us find the effect in the sentence? Circle those signal words in your sentences. There are also signal words for an effect. Some of the signal words for effect are therefore, so, consequently. These words signal that the effect or the what is happened is going to follow. Keep in mind, these words are not always present. Sometimes a cause can have multiple effects. Let's look at this example. It is a good idea to limit the amount of soda you drink. Studies show that drinking too much soda can lead to tooth decay and weight gain. Look at your graphic organizer at the bottom left of your paper. Let's fill in the causes and the effects. So what happens first? Well, if I'm looking at this, the first thing that happens is I drink too much soda. That is going to be my cause. What happens because I drink too much soda? What are the effects of that? In my passage, it says it can lead to tooth decay and weight gain. So for this cause of drinking too much soda, there are 2 effects, tooth decay and weight gain. Can you think of other times when you might have 2 effects or more from a cause? Just like sometimes one cause can have multiple effects, sometimes an effect can come from multiple causes. Let's look at this example. My mom picked me up from school 15 minutes late because traffic was stopped on the interstate. and then she had to wait for a long train. Look at your graphic organizer at the bottom right of your paper. You will see the same paragraph. Let's first figure out what happened. What is the effect? What happens second? So when I'm looking at this, I see that the effect in this is Mom picked me up from school late. Now let's stop and think about, why did Mom pick me up from school late? Well, first, she was stopped on the interstate, so that caused her to be late, and then she had to wait for a long train. So both the backup on the interstate and the waiting for the train caused or had made Mom late to pick me up from school. So there were two causes to the effect of being picked up late from school. Can you think of examples in your life when there might be multiple causes to an effect?